Alright, today we are installing French drain man pipe and a giant burrito wrap French drain at a big box store. We'll leave it unnamed, but I'll let you guess. FDM's high octane 8 slot is the best French drain pipe that there is. We have this giant French drain right here, active. This is a solid pipe going into it. So we have actually a French drain up there, and it's connected with a solid pipe going into this French drain. So it goes right into our French drain. There's no surface inlet. And it exits right over here to our storm drain where we did a core tap. Right here's where our French drain ends and transitions to solid. And it is actively draining. Our core top is actively draining right through here. Lots of groundwater right underneath this power line.